Umfelandawonye wezinyunyana zezisebenzi iCOSATU iyalugxeka uhlelo lomnyango wezobuciko namasiko lokwakha umfanekiso womlando weFulegi lakulelizwe okuzodla izigidi ezingamashumi zamarandi. Uvikela loluhlelo umnyango uthele liFulegi angeke nje lihehe ivakashi kepha lizobe liyisithombe sobumbano. iCOSATU ithi umengameli uR22 akawuvimbe lomnklamo.
It's 22 million rand. It should not cost 22 million rand to build a 100-meter flagpole and a 20-meter or so flag. But also it can't be a priority. It's a vanity project of politicians. It makes no sense. The argument they've given is that, well, it will attract tourists. Well, we are very doubtful that any tourists want to come to South Africa to see how government wastes workers and taxpayers' monies. But also, I think on a more serious note, public servants, which is your nurses and teachers, your doctors, your police officers, your cleaners, your security guards, were denied the increase in 2020. They received a below inflation increase last year. Yet at the same time, government has been saying, well, we don't have money. They've had to cut back on critical public services from the CCMA, resulting in 3-month backlogs for workers to have their cases being heard. They've had to cut back on money spent to grow the economy, provide social security, to invest in schools and so forth, to invest in hospitals and so on. Now we have the same government saying, well, we actually have 22 million rand. We think we can blow it on a 100-meter flagpole. It makes no sense. It actually is an insult to workers.